Did you know that the Quadrantid Meteor Shower, one of the most intense meteor showers of the year, is associated with an asteroid rather than a comet, unlike most meteor showers? Yes, it's true. The Quadrantids have a unique distinction, adding a layer of intrigue to their already spectacular display. As we step into the year 2024, mark your calendars for January 4th, when this shower is set to dazzle the night sky. The source of these radiant meteors? None other than the asteroid 2003 EH1. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this extraordinary astronomical event. The Quadrantid Meteor Shower is active from December 12th to January 12th, displaying its celestial spectacle for a month. Now, imagine this: a whole month of meteor shower activity, with these celestial bodies darting across the night sky, leaving trails of light in their wake. Quite the spectacle, wouldn't you agree? Now let's delve into the specifics. The Quadrantid Meteor Shower in 2024 is expected to reach its peak around January 4th. This peak is the meteor shower's most active period, where the frequency of meteors is at its highest. Now, while the shower is active for a month, the peak period is when things get really exciting. Picture this. Under optimal conditions, it's predicted that we could witness up to around 120 meteors per hour during this peak. That's 2 meteors every single minute. It's like nature's own fireworks display, lighting up the sky with a dazzling array of shooting stars. However, as with any natural spectacle, the actual visibility may vary. Several factors can influence this, such as weather conditions and light pollution. So, while we can expect up to 120 meteors per hour, it's important to remember that this is under the best conditions. That being said, even if we only catch a fraction of this predicted number, it's still a sight to behold. Each meteor, a brief streak of light against the vast expanse of the night sky, is a reminder of the universe's grandeur and our place within it. So, as we journey through the last days of December and into the new year, let's look forward to the Quadrantid Meteor Shower's peak. Imagine witnessing up to 120 shooting stars in a single hour. What a way to start the year, don't you think? For the best quadrantid viewing experience, timing and location are key. Imagine standing under the vast canvas of the night sky, the air crisp and cool around you. The city of San Diego, known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant nightlife, is about to stage a celestial spectacle that is the Quadrantid Meteor Shower. Now you may wonder, when is the best time to catch this dazzling display? The answer lies in the early hours of the morning, just before dawn. This is when the radiant point, the location in the sky from where the meteors appear to originate, is at its highest. As the darkness of night begins to give way to the subtle light of dawn, the radiant point reaches its zenith, setting the stage for the meteor shower's peak performance. During this time, the Quadrantid shower is predicted to reach an impressive peak rate of around 120 meteors per hour. Think of it. 120 streaks of light painting the sky every hour, each one a fleeting moment of cosmic beauty. But what about the moon, you ask? Surely its light would interfere with the visibility of the meteors? Well, the beauty of the Quadrantid Meteor Shower in 2024 is that moonlight interference will be minimal during the peak. The moon, in its phase, will be considered enough to dim its glow, allowing the meteors to shine in their full glory. So, if you're in San Diego or can make your way there, gear up for an unforgettable experience. Dress warm, bring a comfortable chair, and of course, don't forget your sense of wonder. But remember, good things come to those who wait, and in this case, those who wake up early. The early morning hours may seem daunting, but the spectacle of the Quadrantid Meteor Shower is well worth the effort. So remember, the early bird catches the meteor shower. The radiant point of the Quadrantid shower is located in the constellation Bootes. Now, what does that mean and why is it important? Well, the radiant point is essentially the area in the night sky where meteors appear to originate from. When it comes to the Quadrantid shower, this point lies in the constellation Bootes, named after the Greek term for a herdsman or plowman. Now, how do we find this constellation in the vast tapestry of the night sky? Let's break it down. Bootes is an ancient constellation, home to the bright star Arcturus, which is known for its orange hue and is the 4th brightest star in the night sky. To locate Arcturus, you can follow the arc of the Big Dipper's handle. Remember the phrase, "arc to Arcturus," and you're golden. Once you've found Arcturus, the rest of the Bootes constellation is relatively easy to spot, given its kite-like shape. Now, here's the fascinating part. Even though the meteors seem to radiate from Bootes, it's actually better to observe the sky away from this radiant point. That's because meteors close to the radiant have short paths, while those farther out in the sky have longer ones. The radiant is just the direction the meteors are coming from, not necessarily the best place to spot them. So as you lay back and gaze up at the celestial theater, keep in mind that the radiant point is merely a guide. The real show can be found by casting your eyes over the entire expanse of the night sky. The radiant point in Boots serves as a compass, pointing you towards the origin of the Quadrantid shower. But the meteors, those bright streaks of light that captivate us, they can appear anywhere in the sky. While exploring the sky, don't forget to look away from the radiant point to spot the most meteors. The Quadrantid Meteor Shower owes its existence to asteroid 2003 EH1. What seems like a random assortment of letters and numbers actually holds the key to this spectacular celestial event. Asteroid 2003 EH1 is a small, rocky body that orbits our sun. It's not particularly massive or impressive on its own, but it's what the asteroid leaves behind that truly makes it special. As it journeys around the sun, 2003 EH1 sheds bits of debris, a trail of cosmic breadcrumbs that the Earth passes through each year. And it's this encounter with the asteroid's debris that gives us the Quadrantid Meteor Shower. The particles, some no larger than a grain of sand, collide with our planet's atmosphere at speeds of up to 43,000 miles per hour. This rapid descent heats up the particles, causing them to glow brightly and streak across the sky, creating what we commonly refer to as shooting stars. The connection between the Quadrantids and asteroid 2003 EH1 wasn't always known. It was only in the early 21st century that astronomers made the link, thanks to advances in technology and our ever-growing understanding of the cosmos. And while there's still much to learn about this asteroid and its relationship with the Quadrantids, one thing is for certain: without 2003 EH1, our January nights would be far less dazzling. What's truly fascinating is that each meteor you see during the Quadrantids is a tiny piece of the asteroid 2003 EH1. They're fragments from a cosmic traveler that has journeyed through our solar system for millions of years. So the next time you find yourself gazing up at the Quadrantids, remember, each shooting star is a piece of an ancient story, written in the language of the cosmos. So when you're watching those Quadrantids streak across the sky, you're essentially observing pieces of an asteroid. The Quadrantid Meteor Shower is indeed a celestial marvel. This spectacle, active from December 12th to January 12th, peaks around January 4th, illuminating the skies over San Diego. With the radiant point highest just before dawn, you could witness up to 120 meteors per hour. Minimal moonlight interference and the association with asteroid 2003 EH1 make this shower all the more fascinating. Don't forget to mark your calendars for this astronomical spectacle. And remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts about the Quadrantid Meteor Shower in the comments below.